a bill that could greatly ease the financial burden on PG. AB 33, which began life as a measure about electric vehicles, has been gutted and transformed into a vehicle to help PG. This is shameful behavior by PG. The fresh push by PG. Hill is a Democrat whose district includes parts of Santa Clara County and San Mateo County, as well as San Bruno, a city ravaged by a fatal 2010 gas explosion that PG. I knew that PG. Assemblyman Bill Quirk, a Democrat whose district includes parts of Alameda County, originally introduced AB 33 in December 2016. But the measure languished in Sacramento for more than a year. On July 5, Assemblyman Quirk hollowed out the bill and revamped it with a completely different mission that dealt with the Northern California wildfires of 2017, and PG. I have been very vocal about my concerns on what impact the 2017 wildfires will have on ratepayers and fire victims, Quirk said Tuesday evening. I introduced AB 33 to ensure fire victims are promptly compensated and ratepayers are protected from high utility bills. San Francisco-based PG. The regulatory and legal rules that have sprouted from the theory mean PG. My bill does not absolve PG. If the company is found to have acted negligently, shareholders will be held responsible. The legislation would enable PG. The amount financed could be paid back by PG. At present, PG. However, AB 33 could potentially mean that PG. Securitization, as proposed by AB 33, provides a balanced path forward in the wake of one of the worst climate-driven wildfires in state history, said PG. It would make wildfire victims whole, reduce impacts on customer bills, and protect customers from potential negligence by the utility. On June 8, PG. Sonoma, Napa, Mendocino, Humboldt, Butte and Lake counties because its equipment and facilities were involved in 12 of the fires, according to the State Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, known as CAL FIRE. In some instances, CAL FIRE determined PG. In late May, CAL FIRE determined PG. Bankruptcy is being used as a boogeyman, so PG. Hill said, complicating matters, PG. My decision to author AB 33 has nothing to do with my son being employed by PG. It has everything to do with my concern about fire victim compensation and ratepayer protection. AB 33 faces its next test when it comes before the state Senate Energy, Utilities and Communications Committee, whose members include Hill and other state lawmakers who are skeptical about PG. There's not going to be a love fest for PG.